headed out to an island in the Andaman Sea. I recorded a video earlier where I showed how the grass was transported, how sod, zoysia sod was transported out to the island. They were going to plant that around the swimming pool at a resort. I'm excited to say that I'm headed out there to see how that grass is around the pool. Let's go check it out.
7 months ago, I watched this sod getting delivered by boat to the island. I made a video about that too. The sod comes from the production fields just east of Bangkok. The grass is Nuan Noi, a fast-growing variety of Zoysia matrella, or Manila grass, and the production system for this grass, at least the way it is done in Thailand, is extraordinary. Zoysia is a relatively slow-growing grass, but the way these sod farms work, the sod is ready to harvest at 6 or 7 weeks after planting. The sod is transported by truck around Thailand, and in the case of this particular project, the sod took a boat ride too. Then it was planted on sandy soil around the pool at the resort. The sod was planted during the rainy season in this part of Thailand. So how was it when I visited, 7 months after it had been planted? It's the dry season now. I could still see the seams between pieces. These will grow together eventually. The turf was about as I expected. It was still alive, it was dry. This lawn is not irrigated. It's on a bit of a path where a lot of guests will walk as they make their way to the pool or to the restaurant. The open ground at the resort is mostly Nuan Noi Manila grass and a bit of Japanese love grass, Aragrostis amabilis, and sand. In areas with heavy shade, nothing grows for the most part. Tropical carpet grass, Exonopus compressus, would typically be growing in shade in this climate, but carpet grass needs water. In a sandy soil like this, that's unirrigated, there aren't many plants of carpet grass that persist. The area that was sodded was right around the pool. This Nuan Noi Manila grass is tough, and considering the lack of maintenance that this grass gets, I'd call it no maintenance actually. This area is holding up pretty well. The color of the zoysia during the dry season matches with the other grassed areas at the resort. There's some sod that isn't going to make it. At the base of these trees there is too much shade, and the zoysia has already started to fade away. But other than these shaded spots, it looks like this project was a success. The zoysia made it all the way from Bangkok out to the island, and it looks like it's going to survive this dry season. I don't think the path is going to get decompacted, and it may perform better in the future if it gets just a little bit of fertilizer and a little bit of irrigation water splashed on it, so that it can withstand all the foot traffic that it gets. I have a lot of fun botanizing on islands in the Andaman Sea. I still haven't figured out, for sure, what the best species and varieties are for these types of low maintenance and no maintenance lawns, so I'm going to keep studying it.